becoming art.
Okay, the primary setback from the river is confirmed at 10 meters. Copy that, aligning the grid now. All right, team, let's get these lines perfectly straight for the glass floor foundation. Copy that, aligning the stakes now. Good, keep it taut. Check the alignment on the riverside. On it, just verifying with the level. Good, keep it tight. Okay, let's get this trench to the right depth. Copy that, digging now. Good, let's check the level. Spread it evenly, keep it level. On it, bring in more over. Good, check the depth. Check the verticals on this cage. On it, grabbing the ties. Got it, looks solid. Good, let's tie it up. Keep it steady, watch the level. Got it, compacting now. Good flow, check for voids. Okay, bringing the beam over. Ready, aligning now. Got the end pushing up, locked in. Check the spacing on the perimeter. Looks good, tying it off now. Good, keep it tight. Check the verticals on the north wall. They're square, ready for the next pour. Good, let's get the braces on. Copy that. All right, bring it down steady. Got it, holding steady. Okay, I'm on it. Good, secure it.
Step by step, the dream is growing. Every beat.
Okay, slide it in steady. Got it, pushing now, aligning top edge. Let's align this section first. Got it, this plank is ready.